shooters from the outside, that's when things really started to change to the favor of Rizal. Alwin with another 3. Oh my goodness.
4-3. Ball deflected, na-recover ni Victoria. Pasa ni Robles sa labas. Alday,
Oh my.
same spot, same result. Another triple, 5 threes. Miss 7 of their 11 attempts. So nag-deep down na yung efficiency nila from 3. Tapos di naman nadagdagan yung kanilang paint points.
Yeah.
Dapat linawin. Alday nakalusot, lays it in for 2. Alwin Alday.
Di mapapasok, sinasara ka agad, no? They're definitely in the gap. So good swing right there by Ian Melencio.
After a couple of seasons with Quezon City, nalipat si Alvin Alday sa Bicol.
Kasama na nila nun sila Jade Collado.
Oo.
Yun, sa version na yun, no?
Tama.
They were also in that same team. That's a shot. Oh, he did not.
Robles. Ni
Oh
Yoyo
my.
pa. Taking flight.
I was watching at home, di ko makalimutan, napalundag ako. Natapon yung soft drinks ko sa bahay. Oh, di ko makalimutan yun.
Oh, pinaglinis mo pa si Ate Dors.
Hindi, ako naman na
Ay, ikaw naman.
naglinis. Masama mo nung nagko-cover siya dito ng mga games natin. As I watch him, you like yung mga takes niya on the games. No?
Yeah.
And it's
4 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Dalisay,
Oh
high
my
arcing
God.
3. He continues his hot shooting from 3.
4 out of 6.
Sarao. That last step enabling him to escape the defense.
Pero sa kanya, bihira siya makapunta sa free throw, no? Sa out of the games that he's played. You know, feed right there over to JP Magallanes.
From Bacolod.
And this might be the lowest scoring quarter in this game for Bacolod. They came up with 22 and 20.
A chance of, at the very least, get to that 10th spot. Sarangani is also part of that conversation.
Rizal is actually 6 of 9 inside the paint, while Bacolod themselves are only 1 out of 6. And so, you know, nakikita mo yung ano.
Nakikita pa lang natin yung sa Zamboanga. May foul, ah.
Oh my.
Laban sa Bacolod.